how to log in, reset password, enroll, open mobile banking account for the Bank of the West mobile banking application. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can open mobile banking account, log in, also reset the password and enroll for mobile banking for the Bank of the West account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To do this step, first of all, head over to your app store. Make sure you download the Bank of the West mobile banking application and then hit the open button. The very first thing we are going to learn is how we can enroll for mobile banking. And in order to enroll for mobile banking, after you launch the application, you're going to see this type of interface where you can just tap the create account button here, and you can see already have a bank account, sign up for online banking. So make sure to tap on this option and make sure to enter all of the details that you would like to go ahead and then use. And after you've done that, your registration will be complete. Now this is enrolling for online banking or mobile banking for the Bank of the West account, as you can find here. After you've enrolled for mobile banking, the next thing I will teach you is how you can sign in. To sign in, right when you're on the home screen, you have to enter your username and password and tap the sign in button in order to successfully sign in to your Bank of the West mobile banking account. If you want to reset your password, the final step over here is just simply tap the forgot sign in option and make sure to enter your legal details. After you've done that, you'll be able to reset your password as well. This way you'll be able to enroll, log in and reset the password for Bank of the West mobile app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.